everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Golfdom Magazine. I'm at the 2026 GCSAA conference show here in Orlando, and I'm being joined by Dan Brown at the Par Aide booth. Dan, it's good to see you. How are things?
Good to see you. I think it's great, Seth. Yeah.
How's the show been?
Been fantastic. Yeah, it's been a great show so far. 2 o'clock, and it's exceeded expectations so far.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You guys got a couple new things in the booth. But
Yeah, we've got a lot of new
about
things.
This. What do we got right here?
This is our new wood practice green marker. Just a really nice, wood marker. Bronze kind of the fittings at the ends, but it's been a real popular product for us so far. Yeah, excited about it.
So when people come, you guys got the iconic logo, and you've been, been in the game for so long. But what is it when your superintendents come by through here? What do they know you guys for? What makes you guys famous with them?
Well, we've been around since 1955, and it originally started with the ball washer, but really it's our products and our services that would really excel. The quality of the products has really made us the market leader in the accessory world. So it's the service and the quality and just our vast line of products.
Yeah, I saw you 2 weeks ago at the PGA Merchandise Show, and then you're right back here again. But I think you like it. I mean, what do you love about being in this business?
I mean, obviously the people. I've said it before. It's just I've been with Par Aide for 28 years, and it's really the people, the relationships that we have, not only with the superintendents, people in the media, all of our distributors. So it's just been a great industry to be a part of.
It's got to be cool just to be such a part of the game too. I mean, you guys are just known worldwide, really.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Well, 28 years too. That's a long time. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah,
to be in one company. So it must be special.
Yeah, it's a great place to work. It's a great company, and it's been a joy to work here.
Very cool. Very cool. Well, thanks for showing us some new stuff. We're going to take a look around the booth. Okay.
Great. Thanks, Seth.
For sure. Everybody, this is Dan Brown. I'm Seth Jones. Thanks for watching us here on Golfdom TV.
Thanks.